taga-Toronto ko, kasama ko si Herman at saka si... Kasama ko po yung aking pinsang po at saka yung asawa niya na taga rito sa San Leandro. So sila po yung mabait na dala sa akin dito. Si Kuya Romy at si Ate Rene.
Mercy, Christ the King, class of 59? 1959. So, that ages me quite a bit. So, happy to be here once again to see everybody and meet everybody. Thank you very much.
And Cynthia with his wife. And Gloria.
Herman, Gloria, and she said, as Willie said, we're classmates. Class of 59, high school, AA 61.
Tayo, mga kapats ko yung mga matatandang yun, no? That's 71 high school.
Ako yung nagkakaroon ng sexy eyes. Better half me. So lang kaya kwantan ko yaw pa. Better half na. Better half.
Ako si Pinky, asawa ni Joel.
Kilala na ako eh. Ako si Tessie Marco. Boyfriend ko si Ma'am.
Na-introduce na ako kaya hindi na ako magsasalita.
Anong batch mo? Anong batch mo? Anong batch mo, Mac?
Batch I don't know.
Boy, chismoso na. Ako si Orlando Yames, batch 72. Sabring senior citizen na kasi.
Ako si Eugene Mijares, galing Chicago. Pumasok ako sa Christ the King in 1969. Special class. Kasama ko... That's the best year. No. Yes, the year. First year college, kasama ko sila Joe, sila Vic, si Porong, Manny. Ako yung discipline sa Malamak. Sino bang darating natin? But anyways, I'm so glad to be here. Happy to meet you.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Jesse Generation Class of 69. Ang akin pong magandang asawa, sila, kasama ko po. Okay, uulitin ko na naman ng kwento kasi ako talaga, hindi naman ako nagtagal sa seminaryo eh. Kasi, nung nag-first year college ako, sabi ni Father Smith sa akin, Jesse, you better go before you rot the rest. And here I am, very happily married. Salamat po.
So, Bayani, class of 65. Some of my other classmates of the distinguished class is Father Joseph, Father Pernia, and Father Dante Venus, Father Cabaya, and Vic Magsik. I have with me tonight my better half, Nina.
Nitz, you wanna speak? That was something. Okay. Go.
There's nothing to say. I always come here for the reunion and the fundraisers. So I think I know most everybody.
Rocky Pared, Saha happy.
No. Yeah.
I don't want to use the word gay, why misinterpreted. But I'm happy. Simon, okay. But 75, ito yung wife ko si Sheila.
Hello. Hi. Everybody.
I'm Louis Casillas. I'm batch 1977. And I have a joke for everybody. Would you like to hear a joke? Yeah. Okay, good. So one day, this guy went to his wife and said, "Honey, I'm going to Social Security tomorrow because I'm already 62 and I will collect Social Security." I said, "Good. Go to the Social Security office." We went there. I said, "I'm here to apply for my first time for Social Security." I said, "Okay, I need an ID." I said, "I forgot my ID. So let me just come back tomorrow." I said, No. Open your shirt." "What do you mean?" "Open your unbutton your shirts." So he unbuttoned his shirts, and then the lady looked at her and looked at him and said, "Okay, you qualify for Social Security." So stamp, approved, he got his Social Security. So he went home. I said, "Honey, guess what? I got my Social Security. They were asking for my ID, but I forgot my ID. Then I unbuttoned my shirt. Guess what? I was approved for Social Security." And the wife said, "You know what? You should have dropped your pants and applied for disability." Louis Casillas, 1977.
Si Frankie yan. Yeah. Bibigay sana ako naman ng joke. Kaya lang kay Louis corny eh. Kaya, huwag na lang. Ang sarap umattend ng reunion. Kasi yung mga sinasabi ng mga taon, batch 64, 59, 61. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak mo. Batch 81. Bakit ba si Margot? Si Travis.
Ako yung gusto kong mapatagin kay Father Rocky. Kasi napakarami pa ng collections nito. So I presented myself as a beneficiary sa lahat ng collections niya. Father J, ano ba yun? Yung mga suit ng mga, ano yan? Sa... Bullfighters. Yeah. Ano ba? Ivory and ebony and ivory. Pangalan ko is Charlie Barcelona alias Colleen. Classmate ko si Joe Joaquin. At saka yung taga New York na yun na maskulado. Class ko yun. Johnny Jacinto. Yan, kasama ko yan sa Christ the King. Ang prefect namin of discipline, si Mac. Si Mac.
Teka, pakilala mo yung secretary ni Mac.
At ang kanyang, si Mac noon,
may secretary.
Yes. Pakaganda na secretary.
Yeah.
Class ko rin eh. Ang tawag ko sa secretary niya, Hero. Pero siya mapalad. So, si Tessie Magbo. Hero. Gusto ko rin sana magbigay ng joke, pero huwag na lang. Dahil ni-reserve ko for tomorrow. Joke? Okay. Ito ay sa seminarya. Nag-asawa, inutusan ng asawa bumili ng suka. Okay? So, alas 9 ng umaga, maaga pa. Eh, yung tindahan, sarado, alas 10 mag-o-open. So, malapit yun sa bar. Hintay ko lang mag-open yung Filipino restaurant, ay yung grocery. Total, may 1 hour ako. So, I'll go to the bar. I'll drink. Minom. Minom. Na may nakatabi na blonde. So, nag-usap sila. And one thing led to the other. May malapit na motel. Nakalimot. Seminaryan eh, sabik.
Hindi si Mac to, ay si Mac to.
Hindi si Mac. Kasi kaibigan ko yan.
Baka si Mac eh.
Very faithful. So nakalimot sila. And the hours passed by. The years na sabik went on. Hanggang tinanong niya yung babae. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Oh shoot. Sabi niya, my wife told me to buy some vinegar from the Filipino store. Do you have a baby powder? Yes, I have a baby powder. Give me the baby powder. Give me the baby powder. So, alam mo na, nag-baby powder siya. lagay niya dito sa mga kamay niya, fingers and all that, bumili siya ng suka. Tapos umuwi siya. Sabi ng asawa, walang hiya ka talaga, kahit ngayon ka lang. Eh dear, sarado yung tindahan. Alas 10 pa, nandun ako alas 9, may bar. Minom ako. May nakatabi akong blood. Nag-inom lang kami. Tapos nakayayaan sa motel. Alam mo na, nakalimot ako. Sabik na sabik ako. Sabi ng asawa, tignan ko yung kamay mo! Tignan ko yung kamay mo! May baby powder. Sabi niya, walang hiya ka, sinungaling. Nag-bowling ka na naman. Sabihin mo sa akin na babae ka. Nag-bowling ka, sinungaling, sinungaling, sinungaling. Anyway, natutuwa ko yan ay Miss Joaquin. I was in Christ the King 5 days ago.
Good evening. My name is Dante Ruano, and I am the humble leader of 12 Southern California PAX members here right now. I'm very, very proud of my group. 12 of them are here. 3 of them, but there would have been 3 more. Leonard Castillo was operated on Monday. Leo couldn't come because his wife was operated on.
Cesarean.
And we have also Vic Eliaso, matanda na eh, nahihilo. And then we have 3 more. I've heard 3 more from Southern California coming tomorrow. And I'm proud also to tell you that we are very, very solid at Southern California, and we owe our unity and devotion, due to our devotion to the Blessed Mother. We gather every month, almost every month, to say the Rosary. And I would encourage all of you to do that. And of course, I would like to introduce my wife, si Becky, Missy I. By the way, I am class 64, high school 64.